Hey guys, it's me back on Ace and today I don't have any particularly interesting video for you. I just was going through my drawers looking for some video ideas, hoping to find something I could use to make a video with. And I just stumbled upon some stuff that I like to showcase today, like just share about them. Instead of doing any papercraft. Yeah, this is going to be a lot different than what I usually do. So in front of me I've got two recent papercraft works. So if you haven't checked them out, you can feel free to. They're on my channel. So let's jump right into it. So I found this box. Like, this is a simple geometry box that I decided to use as a survival kit. Now this brings back a lot of memories because I was into this surviving thing. Obviously I am still, but like I mean like in a zombie apocalypse kind of scenario. So hold on, I've got something else as well. I need to grab it. So if you can see this thing, this is a mad weapon. And alongside that, I've got some weird looking bullets as well. So just hold on a second. So yeah, today I'm going to be showing you guys all these weird quirky things I got hidden on my drawer that I just stumbled upon today. So I've got this little diary I created back in grade 7. That would be about 45 years ago. So yeah, I haven't seen these things for a really long time. And here's like an entire guidebook to how to survive, including like some weird ropes. I don't know what I was doing, but yeah, I'm going to see what's in this box. I haven't checked it yet, but I've already seen these weapons today, like while I was going through this stuff. So first and foremost, I've got this weird weapon. Now what this was initially it was just a tiny toy made for kids, right? And it was two swords actually, so I had two similar things like this, and then I just broke one of them, and then so if you can see these, there's like two of these, right? One's right there, one's there. So those are two different sword pieces attached together to make it more sturdy, right? So the handle's one, but the blades are from two different swords, and wrapped around are like weird calendar wires, right? So if I can focus, you can see like a bazillion wires in there. Really scary. I don't know what I was doing back then, but I was pretty sure there was going to be a zombie apocalypse soon, and there's this metal bar thing which does hurt indeed. So it was intended to hurt. I've been keeping this thing a secret, and if you can see closely, there is a pin right there. So this thing was really made to knock some zombies out, and I wasn't fooling around. I've got these spikes all over the thing, like right there, and I've got this one pointing 90 degrees outwards. Oh my god, this thing is scary. The handle is comfortable though, right? It's got this cool elastic in it. So yeah, look at that. It's very strong. Like, it should probably bend once or twice, but it's like wrapped around super tightly around this area, so I doubt this is going to break anytime soon. Yeah, I just wanted to share. I was a weird kid. And let's move on to the other weapons I've got right there. So these are some even scarier weapons. If you look close, here's a pin, and this one as well. But this one's the coolest one. This one, these two are made for more like heavy duty shotgun kind of thing, but this one's too heavy to be fired too far, so this can hurt if you're within a meter range, but too far you won't even feel it. And here's a magnet on this guy, so I can like just stick it right that way. And I've got this Nerf disruptor thing, so let me try it on this guy. The magnet first. Okay, the force is too much. It just bounces back. The magnet's not strong enough. And let's try this guy, this pin. What should we try it on? Let's try it on this muffler. Right, here's a piece of cloth and here's the bullet. Oh, I haven't primed it. This is scary. I might poke myself. Like that. It just pierces through everything. Because this is an actual needle that's used for sewing and stuff. And then we've got these tiny darts. These ones pack a punch. Like, I'm not even joking, they're tiny, so they travel faster. I'm not going to fire these ones yet. It's going to disappear somewhere. So yeah, those are my bullets. And I was going through this stuff, and I also found some weird gadgets, which I think I'll use these for my next video, which is going to be on the divergence meter from Steins Gate. So let's look through some stuff I can use for that. I can definitely use a spring. Maybe this thing. Maybe these as well. And obviously this thing looks too cool to be left out. I'm going to use that. Not going to use this though. Let's use these for the looks. Might as well do that. Some transistor and stuff. And some light bulbs. Also, I've got this 1x1 Lego piece for some reason in there. I'll use that as well, sure. Oh, and there's that. This guy's the sensor. It's a infrared sensor from my trusty little helicopter thing. But I broke it. Yes, so it doesn't work. Right, so I found that as well. I'm not going to use these. They do look cool in fact, so might as well do that as well. So I've got a bunch of things which I'll use for my next video. The rest I'll put them back where they came from. Also, I have this weird habit of collecting these tiny balls. Like, they come from ink refills for ink pen, like fountain pens. But I didn't buy any of those. These were all I received from my friends. Like, my friends, a lot of them use these kinds of refills, and from one refill you get just one tiny ball. So imagine how many I had to steal to get this much, right? No, I didn't steal it, that was a joke. And an even surprising fact is that I lost half of these one day. So yeah, there used to be more than that. There used to be almost double, but not anymore. Okay, so there isn't anything left to see other than this box. Now let's see what we have in there. What's this? Alright, I even like priced the things in order and like scratched it to make it look old and worn out. Do you think I'd survive with this box? Like, I don't think there's anything cool in there. Oh my god. This is not good. This is so much, like, it's squishy. This thing's 5 years old. It shouldn't be in my house. There's probably like some dinosaurs brewing inside that thing. I'm not even gonna touch it, let alone open it. That's gonna be a curse. Okay, so what else do I have? I've got this piece of wood from my Zenga. Maybe I could start a fire, and some cotton to start a fire. My god, I don't know why I have these things. And some plastic bag. This might be useful in a survival situation. Right, to put water in it. This isn't entirely bad. Okay, let's see what else we've got. We've got more flammable items from paper masks and some rubber bands. What's inside? I think this is more for fire. I don't know what's it called, ember. And then here's some scary stuff. I remember this quite clearly, like this was very dangerous, so I had my parents put them away from me. There's a bunch of blades in there, if you can see it from outside. So yeah, I'm not gonna open that. I'm just gonna put this there. And I used to use this pen. It's not really useful, but like, it's cool. Look at this. Look at this. Damn. And you can even twist it and, oops, open it up and fill it with ink. Like that. It surely doesn't write anymore. Obviously. It's been years. It's been half a decade almost. That's a long time. Look at that. Nice and easy. It's probably was probably meant to be a weapon, judging from my past brain. What's this? Is this an eraser? No, this is a chalk. Maybe to like write messages. It's a no. It's not a chalk. What's it called? Maybe it's a crayon. It's something to write. At least I know that much. And there's a thread. Okay, that's another useful thing for a survival situation. And oh my god, do remember this? Should open up. Another screw. Why do I have so many screws in there? Okay, so I've got these blades, maybe as weapon as well, and there's this can opener as another zombie killing device. Really weird. I don't know what I was doing with my life. I changed a lot. I don't do this anymore. And imagine trying to cut your nails with that. You'd be dead. You'd have like 20 billion infections. Oh, by the way, I've got these colors all over my hand because I just finished recording this Groot action figure video. So, pardon me. Yeah, this one is a useful gadget as well, and this thing, I do remember this quite frankly. Why I put this here? Because this can be used as a whistle. My friend taught me this. Let me try. I can't do it properly at the moment, but if you can like blow into it properly, you can use this as a whistle. We've got more fibers. Oh, what's this? This is pretty heavy. Oh my god, I do not remember this. Oh, okay. So if you guys have been following me for a long time, you know that I made a lot of Thanos Infinity Gauntlets, and these are the Infinity Stones from one of those gauntlets. Like, it's packed in there, it's stuck in there, because these are normally a metal ball with balloons covering them, so it's got different colors. But the balloons melted and they're like apparently sticking to this fabric. Should I try and open these? Let's do that at the end. Let me count. There's only 5 of these. So one of these are missing. I wonder which one is it. So there's 5 Infinity Stones in this packet. That's weird. I wonder where one went. More fiber, more rubber bands, and here's some sandpapers. An entire pack of them. Oh, these are sandy. So that's a weird way to say it, but yeah. I don't know why. Sandpapers can be useful, maybe. I'm putting these things back where they came from. Let's do this a bit differently this time. Okay, rubber bands on one side. And the flammable items on the other side. Okay, that's well organized now. Now let's real quick check out how many Infinity Stones I've got. I know there are 5, but I don't know which colors. So there's definitely this Space Stone. And we've got the Soul Stone. Okay, that was unexpected. Soul Stone. And we also have a Mind Stone in there. white left. Wait, there's one more blue. There's the time stone, right? I know this one. I was expecting the time stone to be the one to have disappeared, but maybe not. And maybe this one's the power stone. I probably didn't find any purple, so I used the same. So which one's missing? It's definitely can't remember. Oh right, the orange one. Which one's the orange one? It's not the soul. The soul's the red. So the orange one would be... Can't remember it. I don't remember what the orange one is called. But either way, I've got like 5 infinity stones with me right now. And one's lost. That's sad news. Right. That would make a good thumbnail. Let me take that picture. Okay, so what do we do next? That's about it. There's nothing more to it. I'm going to pack these back in there so Thanos doesn't find it again. Thanos from a different universe at least. Okay, let's put this in there, close it up, and that wraps up my survival kit walkthrough. So that's about it. Thank you guys for watching this video. It was a really boring one, probably. Didn't do anything special like paper crafts. So that's about it. Let's move on to the next one. See you in the Steins Gate divergence meter video. Bye bye.